This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Prime. In association with Micromax. Nothing like anything.
Welcome back. This week we bring to you, in our Tech Quest segment, our team of experts, the ResQ Squad, helps a customer set up an AV room in his new house. In our Ask ResQ segment, we help a customer save his refrigerator by taking measures to prevent frequent voltage fluctuations. In the Top 5 segment, we take you through a list of 5 accessories for your home theatre system. Need to stream and control your PC games? Learn how to in the Easy Hack segment. In the Before You Buy segment, we'll take you through what you need to know before you invest in an all-in-one.
Hi, this is Aarti.
And this is Shivam.
And you tuned in to Go Digital. From customer complaints of everyday electronic appliances to demo setups of seemingly complicated technology to the latest news of gadgets and apps.
This is your one-stop shop for everything tech.
So let's see what do we have in store today. Hi.
Hi.
Are you looking for something?
Yeah, actually I've moved down to my new place and I'm a very big movie buff and I'm looking to install a great sound and video system.
An AV room I think should solve that purpose, right? So how about Aarti and our team of techies, they come over to your place and help you set it up?
Sounds great.
Alright, so...
Could you just share your address with us and we'll be happy to help you.
Sure, thank you.
Alright.
Our team of experts are prepping to address the problem at hand. With their gears in place and after taking a quick stock of the job at hand, they're on their way to help our customer out. Join me as I follow suit.
Hi. I was expecting you guys.
Yeah.
To begin with, you need a few gears, the right video components and a room that works for you, and you're good to go. Mount TV to a standard frame wall or under cabinet. Conduct pre-installation site survey with a list of everything needed for the installation. Connect and configure new or existing video components in a single room. Add any network-capable devices in the system to an existing wireless network and perform critical software and firmware updates. Neatly dress all wires and cables. Program a manufacturer-supplied remote control as per your needs. Show how to use the new system and components. Program parental control on request. Establish functionality of 3D glasses for TV if necessary. Remember to clean up the work area, remove packaging, haul away and recycle materials where appropriate. Make sure that the room in which you are installing the home theatre system is well insulated from noise and disturbance for a better experience. This can be ensured by installing some noise-absorbing material in spaces from where you think sound can leak. If that is not possible, you can make use of carpets and heavy curtains for sound dampening and reduction of sound reflections. Always make sure that when you are placing a subwoofer, it should be placed on a solid base like concrete or heavy wood. This would ensure proper bass response and thereby ensuring better sound output too.
I hope Karnika is enjoying watching videos in a new AV room.
Totally.
Also, I received this email from this customer earlier. He said that he was having a bit of a trouble because his refrigerator was being affected by voltage fluctuations.
Now that's a problem we usually face and we think of calling an electrician to solve that. But guess what? Now you can solve it yourself.
So here are a few easy steps so that you don't face the same problems with your refrigerator.
Make sure the next refrigerator you buy is a stabilizer-free refrigerator which would enable it to handle voltage fluctuations from 135 volt to 290 volts. This will make sure your refrigerator works across all voltages. It will help increase the life of the compressor and other electrical parts. You could also ask our ResQ experts for their advice on a suitable voltage stabilizer for a standard refrigerator and for installation support of the same. An automatic voltage stabilizer is designed to automatically maintain a constant voltage level with protections of equipment against voltage surges, overvoltage, undervoltage, smoothing impulsive noise. It regulates the fluctuating input power voltage and output constant voltage. The voltage stabilizer is always a safeguard for protecting residential use and the industrial use where electricity is unstable. Sizing of a stabilizer is very similar to sizing of a UPS or inverter. The most important thing is to know the load connected to the stabilizer. First, you must note down the power for all the appliances that will be connected to a stabilizer. The sum total of the power consumption will give you the load on stabilizer in watts. But most stabilizer sizes are in VA, volt ampere, or kVA, kilovolt ampere, which is equal to 1000 volt ampere.
And now it's time for my favorite part of the show.
Shivam and I have come up with an extensively compiled list of accessories for your home theatre system. These accessories not just serve as great add-ons to the home theatre setup, but also help enhance your multimedia experience. First off, you should invest in an HDMI cable version 1.4. This would connect the TV set and the home theatre system and deliver multimedia content. Choose a branded cable. This would enable the AV signal to be transferred from the BD player set-top box digitally, completely distortion-free to receive the best picture quality. Next up is the audio cable, which would be connected to the home theatre's amplifier output to the speakers. We need a pair of cables for speakers, positive and negative. Invest in a good cable because it has to carry the signal from the home theatre to the speakers. We suggest picking up an OFC or oxygen-free copper cable for its durability. The next thing you would need is a speaker stand to place the speaker on to get the best sound at the ear level and focus towards the seating position. In case you're hard pressed for space, use an angular wall mount bracket to place the speaker stand.
An optical fiber cable could be used to connect the TV set to the home theatre system to get the best quality sound. A surge protector could also be installed to protect your home theatre from electrical surges and sudden voltage fluctuation. These are some brilliant gadgets to invest in at an affordable price and get the maximum return on investment.
Our work seems to be really cut out for the day, huh?
Yes, it is. I just got another request from a hassled customer. He wanted to know how to sync his wearable devices to his smartphone.
Are you talking about the Android Wear Watch?
Yes, I am.
That seems to be taking the market by a storm these days.
And it's fairly simple to sync the Android Wear Watch to your smartphone, and it really helps you to get the maximum out of your device.
To begin with, download the Android Wear Companion app from Play Store. Turn on the Android Wear and make sure the Bluetooth is on for both phone and Android Wear. Then search for the Android Wear device in list of available Bluetooth devices through the Android Wear app. Choose the right device and you're automatically connected to your smartwatch through that connection. Last but not the least, set a few basic settings like notifications, calendar, screen timeout, and watch face on your phone. You can now use voice actions to call, text, or email contacts. You can use voice control for your GPS and choose alternative routes in case of traffic. Troubleshooting problems while syncing the two devices is fairly easy too. First, you have to make sure your watch is plugged in and swipe from left to right. If you still don't see your watch's name on your phone, reset your watch to factory settings. There could be a time that even when the watch is paired with the phone, there could be a broken icon at the top of your watch. All you need to do now is check for the connectivity of the watch and the smartphone to get back on the information highway.
Next up is our Easy Hack segment where we teach you how to stream PC games on devices like mobiles, tablets and laptops using a few easy steps and minimal technical knowledge. After that, in our Before You Buy segment, know what to invest in buying an all-in-one PC where we provide you with all the specs to suit your needs.
With technology exceeding our expectations, it becomes difficult to keep up with the upcoming trends and features of everyday gadgets like mobiles, tablets and laptops.
So in this section, we're going to show you how to stream PC games onto your mobiles and tablets.
Install the Remoter app on your Android device, download and install the Remoter.exe streamer software on your personal computer running Windows OS 7 or up. Now you should see its orange icon running in the system tray. Hook your Android smartphone or tablet to the same Wi-Fi network your computer is on. A list of computers running the Remoter software will appear. At first run, Remoter will try and locate all games you've installed, then populate them in the app's game grid. All you have to do next is start having fun playing your favorite games with the default touchscreen controls. However, for some, the touchscreen based controls might not be to liking.
Despite the intensive marketing done by PC manufacturers and the ever-changing landscape of options and upgrades, it becomes more important for us as users to know what's the best possibility for the budget we have in mind.
The key is to remember to buy a computer with the best possible features in what you can afford. Choose a big screen by measuring the space where you plan on keeping it and your immediate needs. It's very important to know the processor and what it means. Are you looking for a fast processor that can handle heavy data? Choose accordingly. It's important to know the processing core in a computer affects its speed and its ability to multitask. That's where you need to know your RAM, and it's usually measured in gigabytes. Hard drives are also a smart way of investing in an option to store your data at a place that's outside of your computer, but equally accessible. There are computer peripherals that can also be kept in mind while purchasing one. You may want to keep an eye out for USB ports, where you get a lot of options like the slower USB 2.0 ports or the faster 3.0 ports. An HDMI cable if you're going to be using your machine for entertainment. This allows you to connect it to a big screen television for a better visual display. A memory card reader works best for people who work a lot with photography and with computers with small hard drives. An SD card can also function as a small out-of-the-way addition to the computer's overall memory.
And now we've come to the end of this episode. Every week we come to you with the latest tech news and views, along with some quick and easy DIY videos to help make your life easier. This is Shivam.
And this is Aarti.
And this is Go Digital.
Coming up next on episode 5. For our Tech Quest segment, our team of experts help a customer set up an HDMI switcher that helps them connect more devices than the number of ports on their TV. For our Ask ResQ segment, we tell you if the filtered water that you could collect through an extension pipe attached to a water purifier is safe for consumption or not. For the Top 5 segment, we tell you what to look for when buying a Wi-Fi router. For the What Works For You segment, learn how to access multiple keyboards on your Android smartphone through a few easy steps. For the Before You Buy segment, we take you through the pointers you need to know before buying a pair of headphones for an avid runner. For the Tips and Tricks segment, we tell you how to shoot underwater with an existing smartphone through easy do-it-yourself steps.